Arthritis, ways to make the pain bearable. When it comes to arthritis, it seems that nobody is safe. Men and women of all ages and fitness levels are potential targets of this painful and degenerative disease. These tips and tricks offer some basic insight into the different options that are available for anyone who is struggling to cope with the symptoms of this condition. It is important that you try not to put too much stress on your joints if you suffer from arthritis. The only thing that this is going to do is make your arthritis worse. Instead, be sure that you don't overdo it when you have to use your arms or legs for an activity. Before you begin self-treating for arthritis pain, be absolutely certain that the cause of your joint pain and stiffness is really osteoarthritis. A lot of people make assumptions that aches and pains they suffer as they age are from arthritis, but a wide variety of ailments can cause joint pain. A CT scan is the best way to know if your pain is really caused by arthritis. Maintain your weight at a proper level to alleviate joint stress. Carrying around extra weight can place an enormous amount of stress on arthritic joints. Instead of skipping a couple meals or simply starving your body to drop weight, you should eat a healthy, balanced diet that provides your body with the nutrients it needs. Get support from others who are dealing with psoriatic arthritis. The fatigue that is caused by this condition can make you feel closed off from the world. Do not make the mistake of drawing into yourself and thinking no one understands you. Joining a support group can do wonders for helping you accept your condition and find ways around your new energy levels. Pay close attention to your medical treatment plan. Many arthritis sufferers make the mistake of simply closing their minds to what their doctors are saying to them. A good patient should take notes on what the doctor is telling them, as well as what the pharmacist says. Doing this can keep you informed on your own condition. Stay active by taking a walk every evening for 20 minutes. You aren't trying to speed walk or run a marathon, you just need to keep your body in the habit of moving regularly and working out any stiffness in your joints. Regular walks will go a long way towards tempering your arthritis symptoms. Elevate your legs to relieve foot and knee pain. Most people who suffer from arthritis have it the worst in their knees and ankles. Elevating your legs can help to relieve swelling and inflammation, and quickly bring pain to a standstill. Try laying on a couch, and putting your legs up on the armrest. Today, there are a variety of treatments and options offered for all types of arthritis and all types of patients. If you or someone you know is affected by the disease, remember the advice from this video, as you seek ways to minimize the pain and the limitations that accompany a diagnosis of arthritis. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.